Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 24th of April. I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we will be looking at the Forex cross of the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. And what we'll be seeing is that we're up to a key resistance level which determines a downtrend, and it's a critical week for the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Here we have the daily, so each bar represents 1 day's trade, and what has happened is that on Friday we went up and tested the resistance, and this is the resistance point. It's from the 9th of March and it's at 135.33, and we just failed to go above there on Friday, and now we're drifting off. Now this is a key level as it signifies the top of the lower highs that we've been seeing, and a break above that level 135.33 would break that trend and then could see this the US dollar against Canadian move higher. Elsewhere on the chart, in the main chart here, we've got the moving averages all moving upwards. We've got the 20, 50 and the 200 day all positive, which are good signs. On the RSI lower down, it's above 50, which is good. And also it's showing positive momentum. It's still in an uptrend. And also the MACD, we've got the shorter term above the longer term, so that's positive as well. So all factors are positive, but we need to break this trend. Now looking at the weekly, here we've got the weekly chart. I've actually drawn on a rough downtrend line. That's actually from the highs in November and January, and I've drawn the uptrend line that's been in place since May and then came down in February. So not quite the trend we were looking at on the daily, but shows you that this market is in a consolidation phase and is range trading, and if we pull back, we're likely to stay in the range, and this range could continue for, extrapolating forward, this range could continue for some time. Looking here at the moving averages, the 20, 50 and the 200 again moving up. The 20-week moving average is giving the immediate support, and it has given the push through over the last 2 to 3 weeks to the upside. So that's very, very positive. And let's wait and see if that gives the trampoline effect. Here the MACD is virtually flatlining, not showing any positive or negative momentum. It's presently 54.7. MACD looks okay. Now looking at the very short term, this is a 4-hour chart, and you can see the pullback from the, you can't actually see the resistance, it's further back, but you can see the pullback from the resistance. We've gone below the 24-hour moving average. We're going to get the 50 crossing the 200 over the next day, which will be positive, and that should give the support around the 134 level. Now looking at the support resistances, 135.35 the key resistance, then 135.99, with the supports coming in at the 20 and the 50-day moving average. So this has been TA for Traders, looking at the US dollar against Canadian dollar. I hope you found the video of interest. If you did, there's a lot more videos to come. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please remember that these videos are for information only and are my opinions, and in no way are they meant as investment recommendations. And please do read the disclaimer that's coming on the screen. Thank you.